Think about a to-do list. You know exactly which tasks you need to get done. In programming, when you have a known set of items to work with, like the characters in a string or a range of numbers, the for loop is your best friend. It automatically moves from one item to the next until the list is done. Today, we'll explore powerful, practical problems you can solve using for loops. A for loop is the easiest way to work with strings. This loop will automatically go through the string Python and, one by one, assign each character to the char variable. There's no need to manage an index or the length of the string. The for loop handles it all for you. Nested for loops are perfect for creating patterns. The outer loop controls how many rows we print. For each row, the inner loop runs, controlling what gets printed on that specific line. Here, the inner loop runs a number of times equal to the current row number, creating this growing triangle shape. Remember the accumulator pattern? It's even simpler with a for loop. We initialize a total to 0. Then, our for loop generates the numbers from 1 to 5. In each iteration, we add the current number to our running total. When the loop is done, we have our final sum. A factorial is the product of all whole numbers from 1 up to a given number. We can calculate it using the same accumulator pattern, but with multiplication. We start our factorial variable at 1, because multiplying by 0 would make the result 0. The loop then multiplies this variable by each number from 1 to 5. We can find a number's factors by looping from 1 up to the number itself and checking which ones divide into it evenly using the modulo operator. Building on that, we can check for a prime number. A prime number has exactly 2 factors, 1 in itself. So after the loop finishes, we just check if our factor count is equal to 2. This brings a few ideas together. We iterate through a string character by character. Inside the loop, an if statement checks if the current character is the one we're looking for. If it is, we use an accumulator variable to increase our count. It's a simple, powerful way to analyze text. And that's a wrap. From simple string processing to complex logic like prime number checking, the for loop is a fundamental tool for any programmer. Ready to practice? Try the number triangle pattern problem on CodeChef to test your skills. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.